Wow. This is like a unique costume display over there. Interesting. Let's see what we have. Looks like we have, like, character from He-Man, along with Zelda. Pretty much video game characters. Ooh, and Pikachu. Well, there are some children who don't even, like, get candy for Halloween. Why is that? Because they're, like, so poor. That's what I'd like to encourage this Halloween. Dress up and donate. Alright? I mean, donations are, like, good. We need all these donations, alright? Because these donations are, like, very important. This is a serious matter. Alright? One serious matter that you all need to solve. So, help donate to, like, children that can't do so. Alright? That's what I need you to do. Because all this is, like, important. Very important, alright? So please, help donate for a cause this coming Halloween, alright?